Hey guys, Kim here from Kim on a Whim, and I'm going to take you through a really quick late night cleanup. Now, supposedly everybody was asleep, but as you'll see in a few minutes, that wasn't the case. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos like this.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know me. Let's get this out of the way.
So guys, I got such a late start this night. I had my mother-in-law over for dinner and we happen to have seafood tonight. Now I know this is going to sound insane, but anytime we have seafood or fish, this is the one meal that I will plan in a week because I try to plan it around my trash night. I will always do any meal like this a night before my trash because the last thing right now we need on summer days is any kind of fish or seafood sitting in a trash can within 95-degree days, because we know that will just smell so bad.
It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave the ground.
So let me know in the comment section below, do you guys think you have the fight or flight mechanism in you? Because as you just saw, I think I have the fight in me, because every time one of my kids scares me, my fists go up in the air. And that's why you saw my son jump back so far, because I literally thought everybody was asleep when I was doing this, because it's like 11:30 at night. But apparently not. Apparently my son's creeping around in the hallways trying to scare me, which is so not cool.
One hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh. I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm at the top, I just wanna play. If you are looking for
So one little thing I like to do before I spray my stove with degreaser is just wipe it with a paper towel. That way I can pick up any crumbs that is on the stove top or any little puddles of grease and stuff. Not puddles, but you know what I mean. So that way the degreaser actually works on cleaning the stove top instead of just sitting on top of all the nastiness that's there.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away.
So we have only 2 more minutes of this video left. Like I said, it's a quick one. It's just a lick and a promise, because I promise tomorrow I'll get all the other stuff done. I'm just going to sweep up my floor, finish wiping off my countertops and my table, and that way tomorrow when I get up I can just come in here with the mop. I didn't want to bring out the mop now because everybody was sleeping and I figured I would just wind up waking them up. Although I should get my son to mop the floor, right? He should have to do that for scaring me like that.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wild.
Alright guys, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel with notifications on because I am currently working on my final bedroom makeover. I did a declutter, I did a deep clean, and now it's the decorate. So make sure you're subscribed so you can see the next video that's coming out. Bye guys!
To your box.